Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by combining essentials and executing the first actionable steps now. Fit the reflectors and mount the small propulsion canister. Tighten clamps and verify seals. Once done, arm your comms and run a short valve test for 3-5 seconds to confirm flow without full ignition. Make sure to brief any helpers. One person watches safety perimeter while one controls the canister. This immediate sequence prevents early mistakes and gets you moving from setup to controlled ignition quickly and safely. You now perform the complex middle steps. Begin a controlled descent by opening the throttle in 10% increments and holding each step for about 10 seconds so you can observe behavior. Monitor altitude and maintain a slow ascend rate of around 2 meters per second to reduce oscillation. This avoids unpredictable spins. Once stability is visible, fine-tune balance by adjusting reflectors and using trim inputs to correct torque. If vibration appears, throttle back immediately and diagnose propellant feed or mounting balance before continuing. You finish by executing the final steps to complete the operation and secure your hardware. Cut the throttle gradually to descend, then deploy recovery reflectors at about 10 meters to stabilize drift. Once landed, secure the canister and allow a 5 to 10 minute cooldown before inspection. Make sure to inspect seals and mounts for stress or leaks. If things go wrong, significant instability or uncontrolled spin, abort immediately. Vent the system safely. Keep distance and recheck mounts, propellant feed, and trim before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.